Hey everyone! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. These are some things that you haven't thought about before, especially how they affect your hair health. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Spending time in nature can be good for your health. And waterfalls are a fantastic way to enjoy the outdoors while getting some healthy benefits. Relaxing by a waterfall can help reduce stress, anxiety and tension headaches. The sounds of the water can also help you sleep better at night. According to research, listening to the sound of rainfall can help you sleep better and improve your overall health. The sound of rain can help to relax your mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. And finally, the sound of rain can help to lower your heart rate and blood pressure, both of which can contribute to a better night's sleep. Chives are a type of onion that is commonly used as a herb. They have a milder taste than regular onions and are often used to add flavor to dishes. Chives are also a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as iron and calcium. There are various health benefits associated with eating chives. For example, they can help enhance digestion and cut down cholesterol levels. Moreover, chives have been proven to boost the immune system and protect against various diseases. Chives are a fantastic food to add to your diet if you want to enhance your general health and well-being. Playing the war card game can be good for your health in many ways. It can help you have fun and relieve stress. Additionally, playing cards can improve your hand-eye coordination and mental agility. The war card game is a great way to exercise your mind and body, and it's also a social game that can help you bond with friends and family. If you're looking for a fun and healthy activity, playing war card game is a great option.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.